Hello, welcome to my channel again. In this video I will show you if you unfortunately delete this icon, so how can you get back it. So you have to go to the Windows and then you have to go to the settings down below. After going to the settings you have to select personalization. Okay, personalization. After going to personalization you have to select themes. After going to themes you have to find out the option desktop icon setting. It will appear right side of your desktop. Okay, then you have to go to the desktop icon settings. After selecting that, it will appear a window in front of you. Then you will see some options here: computer, recycle bin, control panel. If you want to appear the display at the display, then you have to select this. Okay, so I am selecting the computer and then apply and then OK. Then I have to minimize. You can see my PC icon is back. This is how you have to solve this issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.